Hey guys, Skidoo Backcountry expert Dave Norona here with EckoOutdoors.com, and today we're talking about skid plates. So there's two basic skid plates for your G4. In my hands I have the Extreme skid plate, really small, minimal, prevents any snow buildup because it's so minimal, but still protects your front cooler from being taken off if you ride over a log and back up, and it prevents it being peeled off. Personally, what I use is the full body skid plate. It gives you a little more protection. It can be more prone to snow building up in there, especially on the deep powder days and where I am on the coast with the temperatures. But all I do at the end of the day, if my sled's sleeping outdoors on one of those days, is I actually make sure that I kick all the snow off all through the A-arms and the steering components, and that way I don't wake up to a big frozen mess that actually you won't get rid of for the rest of the day because you're going to be riding again in the snow. So just a little bit of end of the day maintenance will prevent all that. And again, I like the full body because it gives the full body coverage. I actually also find it gives a little bit more float. So it's your choice, whichever one you pick up. You can check them out at EckoOutdoors.com and pick one up today.